What's up, people? How's it going with you guys? New video from Passive Passion Online Income, and today's video is going to be all about one of my favorite men's fragrance, which once again is from the brand called Creed. And in one of my previous videos, you may have watched that I really love using green Irish tweed, which happens to be a long-lasting fragrance. However, this time I was very curious and fascinated to try out one of the best sellers, which is Creed Aventus. And more of a fresh fragrance. Here's a bottle. All right, it's a very fresh, very light fragrance which stays on your skin all day long, provided you apply in the right places. Now, many people do use perfume in a wrong manner, wherein they just go and spray all around their body and stuff. When you're getting started while applying perfumes, make sure that you apply the perfume in the right places. One is on the side of your neck. Make sure you spray it on both sides of the neck and on the back, and then on your chest, on your arms, palm, all right, both the palms, and just light little spray on your clothes, and that should be good to go. Now, if you are someone who really wants to make an impact, now let's say if you're going for an important business meeting or so, and you want to really create a strong impact, so in such circumstances, the best thing to do is try to mix two fragrances. All right, the best mix, the fragrance that is light, sprayed on your skin, and the fragrance that is slightly strong, sprayed on your clothes. So a classic example that I could give you is, now if I want to do something of that sort, I would spray the Creed Aventus on my skin, and another superb perfume which I love from Perfume de Marly is this one. All right, so if you're going to a perfume store, go and check out for these perfumes. Perfumes de Marly, the white bottle, and Creed Aventus. Spray the Perfume de Marly on your clothes and spray the Creed Aventus on your skin. Both the perfumes aren't that strong, but it's got an amazing fragrance. It's got an amazing smell which stays in your body for a very long time. And no matter what business deals or events that you're attending, you can just make the best out of it. All right, and what else? Anything new that I want to talk to you about? Oh yeah, there's something new that I wanted to introduce you. Now, over the years, I've been using Dior roll-ons from brands, which aren't that famous. Of course, they're a bit famous, like Christian Dior, Chanel, and all that stuff, which do provide body deodorants, So lately, after trying out this particular Dior roll-on, which is from Kiehl's, I have never even thought of going for any other brands, and the main reason being, it is a phenomenal stuff. It's an antiperspirant deodorant, and here it is by Kiehl's. So for all you guys out there who are really conscious about your grooming and skincare, go for this stuff. It's what do you call this? Yeah, as I was saying earlier, it's an antiperspirant deodorant, and it's anti-allergy, so no chances of you getting any rashes or allergies on your skin if you've got a sensitive skin. So some amazing stuff from Kiehl's. Also, I've started using this particular moisturizer for the winters, which really is amazing so far. It's called the Ultra Facial Cream. Now, if you need cream with the inbuilt SPF, they've got one which is called Ultra Facial Cream with SPF 30. So during the daytime when you're going outdoors, you want to use it on your face. It does wonders, takes care of your skin and protects you from all those harmful ultraviolet rays. All right, so go ahead, check out these products in your nearby shop or in a nearby mall, and if you do like it, buy them and start using them, and look cool, stay cool, be cool. All right, you guys take care. I'll be talking to you soon with more videos. Till then, see you. Bye-bye.